All right, despite having an injury still with a herniated disc and SI joint, we're gonna try to do the 5 mile challenge, right?
Yeah.
Okay, at Turkey Run. All right, so we got the park ranger map out where we need to go. So we cross the bridge here and we follow all the way around. We have to take pictures at the circled spots before we come back. And we have to be back here in 4 hours? And he recommended it was like 3.5 hours to complete. As soon as we cross this bridge, it's when the trail starts. The trail hasn't even started yet. Suspension bridge. All right. Trail's about to start. It's about to start. As soon as we get off this bridge. It started. You ready? 5.5 miles. Rock here. Looks great. Alright, so this is the ice box here. It goes down there. So it's more of a cave thing, so you can, it's called the ice box, because when you get down in there, you can feel the temperature change. So, huge boulders over here. Huge wall here. And they're heading along. Wait for me. Oh, hawks up there. Oh my god, it's so slick. You alright? Yeah. This might have been a bad idea. Alright. We're still making our way to Boulder Canyon right now. And I'm hurting already. It looks like a dinosaur stepped right through this. Oh. Alright, we gotta keep going. We're behind. Oh my god. Oh my god. Here you go all the way down there.
You get it?
Yeah.
Alright. We gotta get a selfie of Boulder Canyon here.
You want me to take one?
Oh. Oh man. This is killing me. The boulder, this is why it's called Boulder Canyon right here. We still got like 4 miles to go. So the trails opened up really well here. So we're able to make up some time. But yeah, this is cake right here. Not hurting as bad, so we're almost there. We're stressed for time now. We got 2 hours, 3 hours to get to the ranger office to get our sticker if we can make it. So we're pushing. Spoke too soon. 140 stairs here. Oh my god. We beat the stairs. And there's more. I'm all about nature and hiking. I love it. But we really need an escalator right now.
3 more to go.
3 more miles. And what time is it? 2.5 hours before the office closes. Good job, Belly.
Last time we did this, we were scared to death.
More stairs. More flat trail. Thank God. And it feels good out. It's like 78 degrees out. Perfect weather. Perfect. Even though I'm still sweating my butt off, but great day. Just hit the halfway mark. Whew. We made it to Camel's Back. See what this is all about.
My feet feel so
This
good.
is it.
That's it. Let's take a picture of the sign. We're gonna go back. Well, I have that rocks out of my shoes.
So there's nothing to look at here except sky and trees. Another picture with the sign. Wave your hand.
I put my arm in a spider web. Yeah, I did.
Say cheese.
What?
In your car.
Yeah. Water in there. You guys come from step.
4. Now we're on the last leg.
Nope, that's 8. Trail 4. All the way around the left Golden Trail. Well, Trail 4 is about there the same. So yeah, Trail 4 is pretty much left.
I quit.
Huh?
I quit. Going along the punch bowl here on top of it. If you guys seen some other videos, we've been inside of it. There it is. Can't really see it.
I'm gonna throw a rock.
There we go. So we're on trail 4 now. I can do this trail all day. That's what I'm talking about. Nice, flat,
Except this.
not a lot of people. Quiet. It's great. Spoke too soon. Pretty scary moment. My quad tightened up real bad. Kind of going up a hill and thought I was done. Rubbed it out. Starting to feel a little bit better, but whew, that would have been bad. I mean, we're back in here, so whew, almost done. I think we got a mile and a half left. We're at the Lusk House, right off Trail 4 here. There it is. Then we jump back on trail, hug the river, and head back. Final picture right here. We made it. Looks so creepy though. That whole house right there. It's a Resident Evil house. This is officially the last leg, right? All right, the home stretch. Then let's get something to eat. This is it. Last part of the trail. I'm so excited. See the covered bridge right here. Take a picture. Video right there. There she is over the river. We're at the covered bridge. Somebody just jumped in. That rock, yeah, it's so cool. All the way around. Alright, made it to the coal mine. Right here.
This is a bat area.
Coal mine here. Never been so happy to see this damn bridge.
I think this is the red rock.
Yay. We're here. We did it. It's officially over.
6.21 if you want to see my watch.
6.21 miles.
3 and 4.
We're back. We made it. 3.5 hours. Come on, buddy. Back in here, 10 minutes. Just bear. So upon completion, you get this little sticker here, 5-mile challenge. You gotta pay $1 for it. And yeah, that's about it. Took us about 3 hours, 45 minutes. You tired?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. You tired?
Yeah.
Great.
Ready for snacks.
Snacks and bed. Thanks for watching. Bye.